Are you looking to hire support to help your online community be more successful? Even a great consultant, when hired at the wrong time or for the wrong purpose, can lead to frustration instead of better results. There's not one general kind of support that helps every different situation. In this video, I'm going to help you find the support that will fit your particular needs. We'll look at what to explore when you're talking to somebody you're going to potentially hire. And then we're also going to look at where you can find those people to talk to, where you can find consultants to look at. I'm Marcia Chadley, an online community designer and a certified Mighty expert. This video is based on over 5 years of talking to online community builders, small businesses, organizations, people that are looking to find help making their online community successful. You can think of it a bit like picking a book to read. Here are 3 great books that I've read recently, but they're good for different purposes. When I'm looking for a book to read, I need to know why I want to read it. Similar thing when you're looking for help with your online community. The first thing is to think about the different types of support that is available and what are the types that you need. These are some of the common types of support you can find for online communities. There's platform training, strategic guidance, hands-on implementation, ongoing community management, maybe ongoing advisory support, and other types of help. Think of this as a choose-your-own-adventure. You aren't necessarily looking for just one of these. Often it's a combination. Once you've decided what type of help you need, the question becomes, is the support that you're considering a good fit? What I've seen in real discovery conversations is that people don't tend to hire someone based purely on the amount of features that consultant knows. What they're really looking for is somebody that's going to help them reduce overwhelm, move forward with more clarity and more ease, and make the progress they're looking for. So let's take a look at some of the things that people tend to look at when they're having that kind of discovery conversation. Does the consultant understand your situation? Are they recognizing the stage of your online community? Do they have an understanding of your organization, whether you'll be working as a team or as an individual? Are they hearing and asking about your particular challenges? Or are they offering generic advice and recommendations without understanding what's happening? Will this support reduce your overwhelm or add to it? You're looking for help that is going to make things feel lighter and clearer. You'd like to narrow your decisions and reduce cognitive load and quiet constant second guessing. You want something that will move the work forward more quickly. Will you be getting judgment and experience from this consultant, not just knowledge? Feature explanations are easy to find. What's harder and far more valuable is judgment. Things like pattern recognition, trade-off guidance, and even knowing what not to do yet. In practice, experience tends to show up more as restraint than complexity. You might hear things like, I've seen this before and here's what might go wrong. Or, you might not want to do this right away and here's why. Those types of conversations can offer you confidence that the person you're talking to will bring more than step-by-step, here's how to use a feature. Has the consultant worked at your level? What you're looking for here is risk management. You want to know if the consultant has experience that applies to your needs. It may not be exactly the same situation. Things that you can ask are, how long have you been doing this? Who do you usually work with? And have you worked with organizations like ours in some way? Basically, you want to know, has this consultant seen the kinds of challenges you may face, and do they understand how to work through them? There are other factors that can help you confirm your decision. These don't usually make the full decision for you, but they can help you be sure that you're on the right track. Check out reviews and testimonials. Look at Google reviews. Look for certifications. If you have a Mighty network, is this a certified Mighty expert? Also, look at the free public content that this person or this agency has. Their blog posts, their YouTube videos, their podcasts. Do they sound like they can help your specific situation? Do they sound like someone that you would enjoy working with? So those are the things to pay attention to when you're talking to a particular person that you might want to hire. Where do you find those people to even talk to? That's what we want to talk about now. You can do searches. Search through LinkedIn. Look for people that are talking about the platform that you want to use and the questions that you have. Use Google and other searches. Use your favorite AI tool. Let it know what you're looking for help with and ask for suggestions and resources that you can look at. Take a look at the free public content around online communities in your particular platform. Who do you see that's talking about it? And if you're building with the Mighty Networks platform, Mighty Networks has a list of certified Mighty experts on their website, and I'll put this link into the video description. The better you understand what you're looking for, whether it's your next book to read or finding support for your online community, the easier it will be to look at the choices and find the one that works best for you. What it all comes down to when you're looking for support for your community is to find what fits your needs right now. I'm happy to talk with you in a free discovery call. You'll find the link in the video description. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you'd enjoyed it, I'd appreciate you liking it and subscribing to this YouTube channel. And I hope you're enjoying your online community.